Yo, 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 yo. What's up with y'all? Man, we back up in here, man, again, man. Back up in here again. I'm glad y'all came back, man. You new to the channel, man. Please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Go ahead and watch a couple minutes of this video. Just watch a couple minutes and see if this is where you want to be at, man. Also, please don't skip no ads. Please, please, please don't skip no ads, man. Please don't skip no ads. But anyway, man, y'all know it. Well, y'all don't know what's going on, so I'm finna tell y'all what's going on. Y'all know MayRose been down, and I really had got mad, and I really wasn't even really like, man. I was like, man, I ain't finna. I deal with the car when I get to it. So I guess today I'm finna get to it, man. So we about to get this crank up. Better pull MayRose out in the yard, man. My dog finna come pick MayRose up, man. She on her way to the shop, man. That's right, man. We finna go and get this RearEnd done. Man. And yeah, so we can get back in traffic, man. My dog person, man, he hit me up. 7-8 shift boy that is. I'm like, hey, man, you tripping, man. We need MayRose back out here in these streets. I was like, P, I'm already on it, man. I'm already on it. So P, finna go down to Mr. Lynn, get this RearEnd done, man. Get this new positive unit put in. Got these new gears finna go in. All that good stuff finna go in, man. And yeah, we finna be back cutting up, man. Finna be back cutting up after the break-in process, of course. But we finna be right back cutting up, man. So let me go ahead and put Bay out here in the yard. Wait on J-Rock to pull up. Hit y'all when he get here, man. Oh yeah, you good with it. Yeah, here we go, y'all. We loaded up. Let me see that shirt, bro. What that shirt say, bro?
Shit. JR Transport.
JR Transport, man.
Yeah, them cheap ass nigga don't call me neither.
Y'all heard me say it, man. You cheap. You cheap. Don't be. Hey, man. Don't have no old school and then be cheap. And then be talking about, man, you ain't fool with me, man. No, dog. This my dog. And if I gotta pay, you gotta pay.
Yeah.
So
it costs to play though.
Hey, man. Y'all heard it said. We hit him up, man. JR, what is it? JR Transport?
Oh, Mr. 72 Rock.
Mr. 72 _ Rock on IG. I'm gonna put that down here somewhere. But yeah, man, y'all hit him up, man. We headed down to Mr. Lynn, man. We're gonna drop MayRose off, man. Go ahead and get this RearEnd done, man, so I can be doing donuts next week. So, we'll hit y'all in a minute. Yeah. Man, we're down here at Mr. Lynn's shop, man. That tire there is low. Hold on. Yo, man, we got another truck vlog. Man, just so happy. Man, the truck vlog comes on today, man, and I got some really good news, man. Man, y'all gotta forgive me, man. My eyes look like they've been sweating. My eyes been sweating quite a bit today. Man, I'm just happy, bro. Like, man. So, I'm sure y'all know. I'm sure y'all know, man, that I think I told y'all that my mom was diagnosed with breast cancer. And yeah, man, it's been going on for a minute, man. We've been dealing with that. And you know, she had the surgery or whatnot, and we went to the doctor Monday to do the CT scan and the blood work and all that, and the results came back today, man. No more cancer, man. My mama cancer free, man. So, man, y'all don't even understand. Y'all, like, y'all, boy, some of y'all might understand, man. Some of y'all might can I don't even know the word I'm looking for. Some of y'all might know this is an unimaginable feeling, man. So hey, yeah, I had to let y'all know that, man. Had to share that with y'all. But I'm getting unloaded right now, man. I'm in here finna start editing on another video for the other channel, Life of Ash and B. Please subscribe to that, man. Man, I want to personally thank everybody, man, that sent a kind word, man, or sent a prayer for me and my family and my mom, man. Hey, man, I appreciate y'all, man. I appreciate y'all on a whole nother level y'all don't even know. Man, I don't wish that on nobody, man. Like, whew, that's hard. That's hard, man. But yeah, I just wanted to come in and let y'all know that. I guess I'm gonna pick the camera up in a minute, man, to see what else we get into today as far as the truck vlog, man. So yeah, stay tuned for that, man. Let me get a little editing done in my time of glory, man. I just thank God for all this, man. I don't even know, man. Like, I'm just happy, dog. Yo, yo, yo. The day has come to do the work. It's gonna get nasty. Ooh, I'm talking about sticky, gooey nasty. But anyway, man, the time has come. I know most of y'all, man, y'all been waiting for this moment here. But we heading down to Mr. Lynn, man. Heading down to Mr. Lynn, man. We about to go and pick MayRose up. He said she is ready. That's what he said. She is ready. He told me to come pick it up Friday. Today, Friday. I thought he probably would have been at the end of the day. Now, I called him at 12-ish. He answered the phone and said, yep, she ready. He ain't even say hello. He ain't do nothing. Yep, she ready. So, we headed down to Mr. Lynn, man. Gone down here and pick MayRose up. See what she talking about. Cause I missed her. And I'm sure she missed me too. I'm pretty sure she probably was lonely down here. She needs to be washed. But that's neither here nor there. But anyway, yeah, man, I'm finna head down here, pick the car, man. And I had to bring y'all with me because I know y'all been in them comments on every other video talking about, man, what you gonna do with MayRose? Where MayRose at? What the car at? What you doing? What you doing? I'm finna go pick the car right now, man. So, yeah. I'll holler at y'all in a minute. Ooh, look at that old Camaro right there. That thing was nice. Fine. But, yeah. We gone. Y'all see my baby sitting over there? Woo-wee. Go back here and holler at Mr. Lynn real quick. Got all these old cars out here. Mr. Lynn got a whole lot of stuff going on out here. Whole lot of it. Hey Joe, I see you. I see you, Joe. What you doing? How y'all doing? Huh? I'm all right. Some of these people stop calling me because I ain't got no money. Yeah, y'all, we gone. We gone, y'all. Damn brakes act like they don't want to stop now. this motherfucker on the channel, man. Gonna be a goddamn pro.
Man, did it first, man. Memphis did it first, man. Yeah, man.
Right.
Johnny J5, man. Yeah, South Memphis nigga, man.
For sure,
24
for
in Roocha, man. You know, you
Damn
can't,
right.
you can't copy these, John. You can't. Yeah, these ain't no fakes now.
Right.
Yeah, you can't do Roocha like that now.
Nah, you can't do roots like
Yeah,
that.
man. You playing with us, man. We
Yeah.
ride. We don't have these, John. Yeah, man. Appreciate you.
For sure, for sure.
B-Lo, man. Y'all go
Right.
add B-Lo, man. Y'all go follow B-Lo right motherfucking now.
Right now, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm talking about right now.
Yeah, man. Right now, man.
Man, you heard what he said. You can't copy these, man. Look at them one-offs over there. One-offs. Tell me somebody else that got them right there.
What you talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah. Show me somebody in the city of Memphis, Tennessee.
Damn right.
Yeah,
Shit, show me somebody in a
Yeah.
5-state radius that got them motherfuckers.
Yeah. Oh, Roots, fuck with me.
That boy clean, man. Yes, sir. Just out here chilling, man. Out here testing the car. Man, I'm really testing that jump, man. I just got it back for get my rear end done. Now my transmission fucking up. I don't know what.